Hi, this is Aaron from Taylor & Sons Chevrolet. Going to be doing a walk around video here of our 2012 Chevy Tahoe LTZ trim level. Overall, she's in pretty good shape, just about what you'd expect for a 2012 model. Some slight imperfections just from normal use. So I'll go around the outside to start with and kind of point out some things that I would want to know about when I was coming down. But again, overall, this one's in pretty good condition. Starting at the front passenger side here, there is just some very faint rock chips from normal everyday driving conditions on the front, and a few little very light scratches on the bumper. Again, normal use kind of really stuff for that model year, but they do, however, stand out. Rims and tires on this one in good condition. Going onto the underside of the vehicle, doesn't look like any corrosion or anything really light in that department. Rims themselves are in good shape. And engine bay too while I'm here, and this is opened up. Looks pretty darn good. Got the Vortec engine in here. Again, just some minor rock chips from normal use and a few little light scratches. Again, I would say just from normal use, it's actually pretty light for a 2012 in the realm of rock chips and things like that on the front. Alright, working around to the passenger side, running boards on this thing look really good. Again, there was you can see there's a slight mark here where somebody probably opened a door into it in a parking lot situation. Again, some very light scratches, very almost not worth pointing out at all on that one. Little scuff here by the rear passenger side door. Again, rear tire, rims and tires again all the way around look really good on this one. And got the rear wheelhouse liners in there, everything's looking good. Again, going back to just some of these very light, these dark colors show pretty much everything, so there is some light scratches there. Moving back towards the rear bumper on this corner, there is some scratches. I'm going to get my shadow out of the way if you can see that. Tail light looks good here. A little dirty, sorry, pollen's coming off, but there is some light scratches on the tinting. On the glass in the rear hatch here. Little scuff on the rear hatch itself. And there is a few little light scratches. This one's a little bit more significant going down the very bottom rim of the hatch itself. And again on the corner of the bumper here, of the rear bumper. Again, it is a 2012, so pretty much what you'd normally expect. While I'm back here, I'll open this up. Power liftgate. She looks pretty good. There's a little imperfection here. That might clean up, actually. A little line going down the rear seat, but not so bad at all. Looks good on the interior of the rear. Working my way around to the driver's side. Again, rims and tires looking good. That running board going down the driver's side in good shape. There is two little dents on the door here. I'm going to back away. There's like a dime-sized dent here, and it looks like somebody again opened a door into it. Just you can see the line where the door hit it. Pretty reflective, probably hard to see that. But backing away, there she is. Moving forward, one little dent there, or a little rock chip, I would classify that as. Other than that, like I said, these dark colors are hard because they show just pretty much everything. A little scratch there on the driver's side front fender. Wheels and tires again. And continuing around to the front bumper. Front bumper looks pretty good, actually, with you know, rock chipping and stuff like that. There's very minor, but there is a few little pock marks. Again, on the top of the hood, right there. A couple more little ones. All right, now moving to the inside of this vehicle. A little scuff here on the mirror cap as well. All right, passenger side front door panel itself looks in really good shape. Moving on to the interior, this black leather interior. Looks really good. For 2012, it actually looks great. Let's see, the glove box and dash itself look in really good condition, not too much. I do see now that I'm in here, there is one little rock chip in the windshield there. The information display, car alignment control, all that looks really good. There is a little blemish there on the interior. Alright, continuing around to the passenger door in the rear. Here's the door panel itself. Again, looks really good. Carpet's good in here. It's got some floor mats. Looks in pretty good condition for a 2012. The rear climate controls. The leather seating again. Looks really good. Headrests. No cracks or tears in the leather that I can see. I know on the driver's side there is one little blemish